My 2020 Rubicon just came in the other day, and I decided to put on some JCR Vanguard series front and back bumpers as well as a tire carrier. In some upcoming videos, I'm going to show the installation of the front and rear bumper with some quick tips, as well as some modifications to the engineering of the JCR tire carrier in the back, which wasn't very well engineered to begin with. Okay, we have our first impressions of the JCR Vanguard series bumpers. These are purchased for my new 2020 Rubicon. And I have wheels already on order, and front back JCR Vanguards, as well as the tire carrier for the back. I'll be putting a pair of 35s back there, so I wanted to get the tire carrier just so I have something a little stronger than what came stock. So this is first impressions. I'm not going to do a full install review, just lots of people have done that already, so I just thought we'd open the box together, see what we have. Wow, look at that. Looks pretty well boxed up. Truth be told, I don't know what bumper I have. When they sent me the notification, it was a little encryptic, so I don't know if this is front, back, or which one this is, but we'll find out soon. Okay, so it appears to be the back, which is cool. 67-pound shipping weight on this one. That is a skid plate, obviously, for the front. They put it in there with that box and some spray and foam. Looks like it came in pretty good shape. I'm going to go ahead and pop it out and see what we have. Well, she's looking pretty dang good. Let me just say it feels much heavier than I thought it would. That thing's built like a brick shit house. And I see some install accessories for the skid plate. And if I come back around here, there's a baggie of install accessories for the rear bumper. What you're seeing on there is a lot of dust. I'm going to wipe it down, but it looks like she came in pretty good shape so far. Yeah, she looks pretty good. So far, I'm pretty darn impressed. I like looks like this sucker's built like a brick shit house. So, yeah, just over 0.2 steel on that. Craftsmanship looks pretty freaking amazing. Wish I could weld like this. Look at that. Really nice. I picked the JCR because I wanted something that was a little more handcrafted versus mass manufactured. Plus, it's of course built in the USA. Keep our boys and girls employed here in the States. So that's awesome. Good stuff. A quick view of the skid plate. Oh, yeah, it looks really nice, really well bent. I like it. Skid plate's coming in 0.19 with the paint. Okay, let's see what came with the accessories. Open that up. Okay, so a quick dig through on what's happening here. It looks like some license plate brackets. Obviously some bolts, washers. These here are some wire connectors for the license plate lights and some coverings for those wires. And there are some nuts that actually sit inside the frame that mount the bumper to the frame where there are no nuts already existing. Just received the front bumper today from JCR, Offroad. And of course she came in a little beat up, as one would expect. These bumpers are like torpedoes. If you dig deep into this here, this is actually the front bumper corner right in there. Looks like it got a little banged up, so we're gonna take her out of the box, see what it looks like. Got the box open. Same packing as the back bumper. They probably wrap it in plastic and then inject it with the foam. I think the issue is these are all torpedoes, so they just kind of break through. You see where it completely broke up the foam here. There's nothing left to it. Same with here. You see where it broke right through. That one looks pretty good. The other one looks more beat up. We'll take a look. Okay, we have her unwrapped. She actually looks like she's in pretty good shape. One corner came in really in good shape. The other one's beat up, but yeah, we have to a little touch-up paint. We'll probably fix that right up. That brings us to the end of this quick overview of the JCR Vanguard front and back bumpers. I will say in general what I observed is an incredible workmanship of people who actually truly care about what they're building. Really nice looking material, nice looking welds, wonderful paint. I was very disappointed, unfortunately, in the tire carrier that went on the back bumper. That's a different video. I suggest if you consider that getting that tire carrier from JCR, that you actually take a look at that video before you jump into that one. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Feel free to leave some comments or check out other videos.